It's Saturday, and I'm here at the waterfront to kick off my day with a deep sense of gratitude. As I sit here by the water, I can't help but be grateful for this beautiful planet we call home. The sound of the waves carried by the gentle breeze serenades me. Beneath the morning's tender light, I stand by the water on this hallowed land. With heart full of thanks, I start my day on this wondrous planet in every way. The sun ascends over the horizon's brink, painting skies with colors making me think of the marvels of our world both near and far as I admire the waterfront like a shining star. And look at that! Ducks gracefully gliding across the shimmering surface, their playful quacks echoing the harmony of nature. Ducks glide gracefully on the bay's serene. Their presence whispers, it's a brand new scene. With each quack a nature's sweet song, I cherish this moment where I belong. Our planet precious, a sphere so round, in its embrace life's beauty is found. With gratitude we will protect this land, preserve its wonders hand in hand. So let's be guardians of this earthly home, wherever we wander, wherever we roam. With grateful hearts we will take our stand, nurturing the beauty of this planet so grand. Next on my list of things to appreciate, local food. Today I am enjoying a delicious sandwich and a bagel from a nearby bakery. There's something special about savoring flavors from our own community. On my way to Costco, I couldn't help but notice something intriguing on the road. A girl riding a scooter with the most adorable puppy in the back. Instances like these shine a light on human ingenuity and small pleasures in life. Who would have imagined driving a scooter like this? It's a testament to our adaptability and creative spirit as a species. Now, here at the Costco, it's not just about shopping. It's a moment to contemplate how our society has evolved. It's more than just shopping, it's a moment to reflect on the evolution of our society. The advancements and innovations we encounter serve as a testament to our remarkable journey. Sometimes we get so caught up in the complexities of life that we forget to appreciate the basics, like cleaning out the fridge and cooking a simple meal at home. These moments are grounding.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know, you know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow.
Taking care of ourselves and our loved ones is a form of love and gratitude. Whether it's nurturing plants or checking in on family and friends, these acts fill our hearts with joy. Lastly, I am taking a walk amidst the breathtaking fall foliage. The vibrant colors, the rustling leaves, nature's way of reminding us of its wonders. So, as I wrap up this vlog, I encourage you to take a moment today to find something you are grateful for. Whether it's a planet we inhabit, the food we enjoy, or the simple moments in life, gratitude can truly enrich our lives.